Every year, Tamil communities around the world come alive with the vibrant celebration of Thaipusam, a festival that honors Lord Murugan, the Hindu god of war and victory. Devotees gather to seek Murugan's blessings, believing he grants strength and courage to overcome life's challenges. Through acts of faith, like carrying kavadi or intricate piercings, they express gratitude, seek blessings, and demonstrate their unshakable devotion. The streets come alive with energy, unity, and shared purpose. Each step, a symbol of the triumph of good over evil, Murugan's legendary victory over powerful demon. In this sacred moment, devotees hope to gain spiritual strength and purification. Thaipusam isn't just a festival, it's a journey of resilience, faith, and triumph over life's challenges.